Check out these hacks to make cooking easier and more fun. Here's an alternative use for a strainer that perhaps you didn't know about. Wow! Don't do this. This is the correct method. With this hack, separating cauliflower florets will be a breeze. Ready for the pot. Canned vegetables? Here's how to drain them. Wash a net potato bag thoroughly and reuse it to shred hard butter effectively for your recipes. What a great idea! Can you use a corkscrew to remove the pit from an avocado? Seeing is believing. Try this method for making popcorn without using the microwave. Cover the popcorn with a sieve to stop it from popping all over the place. Perfect! When the courgette is almost used up, use a fork. Now your fingers will be protected. If plastic wrap won't come off the roll evenly, just rub it a little with a balled-up sheet of paper. Problem solved! Doing this, the tea bag will drip everywhere. Before throwing it away, squeeze out the tea bag using a teaspoon. The secret to perfect muffins is to put a little rice between the mold and their liners. The baking will be more uniform and they will come out more easily. Did you know about this hack for squeezing lemons? Ingenious! Not much room in the freezer? If the packaging is too bulky, you can store meat like this. Problem solved! You can sharpen your knives to near-new condition by using aluminum foil. To keep drinks warm, reuse the lid from a tube of potato chips. Here's a hack for making perfect homemade ice cream cones. Delicious! Fruit keeps for longer if it's vacuum-packed. Here's how to do it using items that we all have at home. Easy. Can't get the spice to come out? Rub the bottom with another spice bottle. Now it will work. There's no need to wrap cling film all around the bowl. Before cutting off, twist the cling film back on itself. It will fit perfectly. And it will be easier to find the end next time you use it. Unpleasant odors from the fridge? A used coffee capsule will absorb all unpleasant odors. If your bananas are not ripe yet, an apple will get them to ripen faster. Here's how to cut up a lettuce the smart way. Place a cloth in the container and the lettuce will stay crispy for longer. Kept in plastic, cheese will spoil faster. It's better to wrap it in parchment paper. To slice mushrooms, use this side of the grater. Perfect. Glass too full? Insert a straw, immersing both ends. Get another glass and watch the magic happen. Wow, not even one drop spilled. Quick lunch? Here's a creative, tasty idea. Don't have an ice cube tray? Try this method to always have some ice available in the freezer. Perfect for a glass of fresh lemonade. Roll the lemon over the surface and pierce it with a toothpick to easily release the juices. Thirst quenching. Always keep single portions of tomato sauce in the freezer. Ready for use and ideal for quick dishes. Peel garlic in 2 seconds with this hack. If you don't have the right tray, this is the perfect solution for transporting cupcakes safely.